In global finance news, Vietnam is experiencing a sharper than expected rise in inflation this April. The increase is directly tied to a surge in global energy prices stemming from the ongoing conflict in Iran. These rising energy costs are heavily impacting both transportation and manufacturing across the country. Additionally, Vietnam has recorded a trade deficit for the fourth consecutive month. This shortfall is being driven by a massive spike in the cost of imported raw materials, which is another consequence of the geopolitical tensions. Economists are closely monitoring how these global supply shocks will continue to affect emerging markets around the world. Legendary investor Warren Buffett sounded the alarm on market speculation during the recent Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting in Omaha. Speaking to thousands of attendees, the 95-year-old chairman described today's stock market as a casino, criticizing the surge in short-term gambling over long-term investing. Despite the Standard & Poor's 500 index reaching record highs, Berkshire Hathaway recently sold $8 billion worth of stocks. This move has boosted the company's cash reserves to a record $380 billion. Buffett noted that it is currently difficult to find good deals, signaling a cautious approach amid ongoing global economic uncertainty. The closure of the Strait of Hormuz is creating a massive economic ripple effect worldwide, and it could soon impact your ability to get a loan. Geopolitical tensions between the United States and Iran have disrupted global supply chains, causing severe shortages and spiking the cost of oil. In response to this uncertainty and rising inflation, banks are quietly tightening their lending standards. Financial experts warn that even if the Federal Reserve decides to lower interest rates, consumers may still find it difficult to secure mortgages or auto loans. Lenders are demanding more documentation and higher down payments to protect themselves against global risks.